Hello everyone, welcome this video you will to learn what are different types of skills to become an effective manager. The essential manager skills required for effective management across different levels of an organization. It categorizes these skills into first technical skills, second human skills, and third conceptual skills, providing examples of how they apply in various management roles and illustrating their importance in navigating complex business scenarios. First type of skill is required to become a successful manager: technical skills. These technical skills are crucial, especially at lower levels of management. These skills involve a deep understanding of the specific processes, procedures, and tools required to perform a particular job. They are often acquired through formal education, training programs, and on-the-job experience. Proficiency in technical skills enables managers to effectively guide and supervise their teams, ensuring tasks are completed efficiently and accurately. Examples of different technical skills used for manager explained one by one. First example of IT manager got proficiency through graduation, and a lower-level IT manager needs proficiency in computer hardware, software, networking, and cybersecurity to oversee the daily operations of the IT department of that company. They should be able to troubleshoot technical issues, manage software updates, and ensure the security of the organization's data. Next example of technical skills is for mechanical engineer manager. In this case, manager working in a manufacturing plant needs a strong understanding of mechanical engineering principles, manufacturing processes, quality checking, and equipment maintenance. They should be able to design and optimize production processes, troubleshoot equipment malfunctions, and ensure the safety of the workforce. Next example of civil engineer manager. A civil engineer manager overseeing a construction project needs expertise in structural design, materials science, and construction management techniques. They should be able to review blueprints, manage construction schedules, and ensure compliance with safety regulations. Example of technical skills while working as electrical engineer manager. As an electrical engineer manager in a power plant, he needs a thorough understanding of electrical systems, power generation, and distribution. They should be able to oversee the maintenance of electrical equipment, troubleshoot power outages, and ensure the reliable delivery of electricity. If you are graduate from ENTC means Electronics and Telecommunication Engineer Manager. An ENTC engineer manager in a telecommunications company needs expertise in communication systems, signal processing, and network infrastructure. They should be able to design and optimize communication networks, troubleshoot network problems, and ensure the quality of service. These technical skills are typically learned through graduation or post-graduation programs, providing a solid foundation for lower-level management roles. Second type of skill required to manager is human skills. Human skills, also known as interpersonal skills, are essential for middle-level management. These skills involve the ability to work effectively with others, communicate clearly, motivate team members, and build strong relationships. Managers with strong human skills can create a positive work environment, foster teamwork, and improve employee morale. Different examples of human skills for manager are explained one by one. Examples of skill of manager is team leadership. A middle-level manager leading a marketing team needs to be able to motivate team members, delegate tasks effectively, and provide constructive feedback. They should be able to resolve conflicts, build consensus, and create a collaborative environment where team members feel valued and supported. Next example of skill of manager is communication. When a project manager needs skills to be able to communicate clearly and effectively with stakeholders, including team members, clients, and senior management. They should be able to present project updates, negotiate deadlines, and address concerns in a professional and diplomatic manner. Next example human skills of manager is motivation. A sales manager needs to be able to motivate their sales team to achieve their targets. They should be able to provide incentives, recognize achievements, and offer support to struggling team members. They should also be able to create a competitive but supportive environment where sales representatives are motivated to perform at their best. Another example of human skills of manager team building. A human resources manager needs to be able to build strong relationships with employees across the organization. They should be able to conduct effective performance reviews, provide career development opportunities, and address employee concerns in a fair and consistent manner. They should also be able to organize team-building activities and events to foster a sense of community within the organization. Important human skill is conflict resolution. A customer service manager needs to be able to resolve conflicts between customers and the company. They should be able to listen to customer complaints, empathize with their concerns, and find solutions that satisfy both the customer and the company. They should also be able to train customer service representatives on effective conflict resolution techniques. These skills are crucial for middle-level managers as they bridge the gap between senior management and frontline employees, ensuring that the organization's goals are effectively communicated and implemented. Third very essential skill of manager is conceptual skills. Conceptual skills are critical for top-level management. These skills involve the ability to understand the big picture, analyze complex situations, and make strategic decisions that align with the organization's goals. Managers with strong conceptual skills can identify opportunities, anticipate challenges, and develop innovative solutions to complex problems. Various examples of conceptual skills. Example of conceptual skills is crisis management. CEO of any company facing a major crisis, such as a product recall or a public relations disaster, needs to be able to think strategically and make quick decisions to mitigate the damage. They should be able to assess the situation, develop a crisis communication plan, and work with stakeholders to restore the organization's reputation. Next example of conceptual skills is strategic planning. A chief marketing officer needs to be able to develop a long-term marketing strategy that aligns with the organization's overall business goals. They should be able to analyze market trends, identify target audiences, and develop marketing campaigns that effectively reach those audiences. Essential example of conceptual skills is innovation. A chief technology officer needs to be able to identify emerging technologies and develop innovative solutions that give the organization a competitive advantage. They should be able to foster a culture of innovation within the organization, encourage experimentation, and invest in research and development. Very important example of conceptual skills is competitive analysis. In today's dynamic business environment, top-level managers need to be able to analyze the competitive landscape and develop strategies to differentiate their organization from its competitors. For example, the competition between Jio and Airtel in the Indian telecommunications market requires top-level managers to constantly innovate and adapt to changing market conditions. Jio disrupted the market by offering low-cost data plans, forcing competitors to lower their prices. Jio's top-level managers needed to anticipate the impact of this strategy and develop plans to maintain profitability and market share. Airtel responded by investing in network infrastructure, improving customer service, and offering bundled services. Airtel's top-level managers needed to analyze Jio's strengths and weaknesses and develop strategies to compete effectively. Conceptual skills are essential for top-level managers as they are responsible for setting the direction of the organization and ensuring its long-term success. In conclusion, to become an effective manager requires a combination of technical, human, and conceptual skills. The relative importance of these skills varies depending on the level of management, but all three are essential for creating a successful and sustainable organization. By developing these skills, managers can effectively lead their teams, achieve their goals, and contribute to the overall success of the organization. Thank you for watching this video on Skills of Manager. For more videos, if not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share my channel and video.